So a productive week again this week. The major milestone I think for this week was we've now installed the refractory lining to the furnace with a company called Zampel. So that's gone well. So that will sit in the furnace now until we do the first sinter melt. Other works that have gone on this week is we've had the water onto the majority of the furnace, and we will be putting the remaining water onto the furnace roof ring hopefully today. So other works that have gone on this week is hydraulic flushing has gone very well. All the circuits have been flushed. The last piece of one circuit is still to do. Very clean, not much debris in the oil, so that was very good, which bodes well for the future. We've also got Utile Engineering on site today, who will be commissioning the gas booster, which supplies the jet box, which you can see on the front of the furnace. So it's all a positive move forward.
About the program, what we will continue by this and next week is like we will still test the electrode arms about the movement up and down. Then we will do some kind of movement tests of the gantry itself. The gantry is where the electrode arms are sitting, and during feeding and recharging of the furnace, the roof will be lifted up and will be swiveled out, that you can recharge the furnace with some scrap material and other things what you need to put into the furnace before you start up the heating and melting process.